If you are like most Americans, your bank lies at the heart of your personal finances. Your checking account is the place money comes in and goes out, and a savings account helps you stash fund away for an emergency or big saving goal. Choosing a bank is not always easy, and what's best for you may be different than what's best for someone else. Look for the features that matter the most to you. If you are a frequent traveler, you might want a bank that reimburses you for other banks' ATM fees. If you work for tips, then you will want a bank that takes cash deposits. And in the era of online banking, some institutions don't even exist as brick and mortar branches. So that's a new factor to consider. For many people, online banking is the primary way they manage their accounts. So you may want to look for a bank that offers bill pay, remote check deposit, and basic self-service from your computer or a mobile app. Instant transfer services are another convenient feature to look for if you want a cash-free way to send money to friends. To be on the lookout for banks that other products like Silly, which allow you to instantly transfer funds to other accounts without an extra app. Even better if you can send and receive without paying any fee. Speaking of which, fees are very important to look for before you open a new account. Many banks charge monthly maintenance fees unless you meet specific minimum balance or activity requirements. Be on the lookout for accounts with no monthly fees so you don't have to worry about these types of charges. Best Bank of 2022. Whether you are setting up a teens first account, checking account, or just looking for a way to up the interest rate on your nest egg, we have rounded up the best bank based on your potential needs and preferences. We partnered with the following banks to bring you the savings account offer in the table below. Under that, you will find our editors' best picks for the best banks and why we choose them. All of the banks and credit unions listed are insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation or National Credit Union Administration. Ellie, best bank overall. Our pick for the best overall bank is Ellie. Ellie is an online only bank with industry leading checking and savings account option due to a combination of good customer service, low fees, and high interest rates. Ellie is a winner. Ellie's online checking account charges almost no fees and is packed with useful features. It even pays interest for savings. Ellie's high-end account offers among the best interest rates in the industry. Ellie customers get access to online banking, mobile check deposits, up to $10 per month refund for other bank ATM fees, quick transfer with Zelle, and 24/7 customer service with access to a email. The only downside, like all online banks, you cannot deposit cash. If you regularly receive cash or work in a job that involves getting paid in tips, Ellie probably isn't the best choice for you. For everyone else, however, Ellie offers some company accounts with great service. Chase, best bank for customer service. Chase Bank ranked second in last year's National JD Power National Bank Satisfaction Study and is one of two banks that received a perfect rating in the jdpower.com Power Circle rating. But for banks that operate in nearly every part of the country, Chase stands out as the best for customer service. Unlike most of the banks on the list that have an online-only focus, Chase offers one of the biggest network of branch locations in the United States, over 4,700 locations, and and due to its size, Chase offers accounts for pretty much everyone. That includes checking, savings, mortgage, credit card, and investment accounts. Chase is one of a few financial institutions that really let you do all of your banking under one roof and that help simplify your banking experience, a plus for many banking customers. The biggest downside of Chase is that, like most large brick and mortar banks, it charges a lot of fees and offer pitifully low interest rates on savings accounts. But if you keep a certain minimum balance or meet activity requirements, you can avoid most fees. Want to learn more? Wells Fargo, best bank for teenagers. Teens are in a position to learn important lessons that can influence their long-term financial well-being, and it starts with learning how to responsibly use a bank account. That requires access to a bank branch, a big network of ATMs, a good place to keep money from part-time jobs. Wells Fargo has certainly found itself in the midst of multiple scandals recently, but it stands out as the best bank for teens thanks to its 4,900 branches and 13,000 ATMs. Their teen checking account requires a $25 opening deposit but has no monthly fee. However, beware of overdraft and other fees once you open the account. While it is a great account for new learners, it is still a real bank account with real fees. BBB, best bank for college students. College students can easily fall into the trap of poor financial decisions, whether it's racking up a credit card debt or student loan without a full understanding of the consequences. BBVA is great for college students because it has budgeting built into its online and mobile banking apps. It also doesn't charge many fees. The only fee you might pay is for using an ATM outside of the 55,000 ATMs in the all-point network and a small fee from Visa when using your debit card outside of the United States. For digital natives, the mobile-first banking experience is easy to navigate and very user-friendly, and the goal setting and safe to spend features should keep even distracted college students out of financial trouble. USAA, best bank for military members. What started as the United Services Automobile Association is now the best bank in the country for military families and veterans, because military members are likely to move often and have some unique needs and challenges. Going to a military specific bank may be a smart choice, particularly for anyone on active duty. USAA also offers very good insurance, so if you do become a member for banking, don't overlook options for home, auto, and other insurance you may need. You may be able to get a better policy at a better price than non-military can elsewhere. For banking, USAA offers a range of checking and savings accounts to meet your needs. The basic fee checking has no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. Accounts also include some of the latest online banking features, including mobile deposits, mobile wallet support, and fast transfers with Zelle. Charles Schwab Bank, best bank for international travelers. Charles Schwab is best known for its brokerage business, but this finance company does a lot more than stocks and bonds. Charles Schwab offers a full feature online bank complete with checking and saving account option. Schwab Bank is convenient for anyone with an existing Schwab relationship, but the checking account offers a big draw to anyone who loves to travel. Charles Shop charges no ATM fee and reimburses all other bank ATM fees from anywhere in the world. You can use your card in New York or New Delhi without paying any fees. Shop bank accounts charge no monthly fees and no law fees for some irregular activity like sending a wire, unlike most online banks. You can also visit shop branch to deposit a check. Although with mobile deposit, you probably won't need to visit a branch. Shop is a top-rated law brokerage as well, and a linked brokerage account is required to open an investor checking account. With the amazing customer service and a good selection of account options, you may want to consolidate all of your banking and investing under the shop umbrella. Capital One Spark Business, best bank for small business bank accounts tend to come with far more fees than personal accounts, but Capital One Spark Business changes that. Spark Business offers checking and savings accounts for businesses with almost no fees for its online banking. There have been some known bugs in the sign-up process, so new checking and savings accounts are temporarily suspended, but they should be reopening new checking and savings accounts anytime. So keep an eye out regarding those changes.